Are you familiar with vision boards? As per definition, vision boards allow you to imagine your accomplishment. Looking at your vision board on a frequent basis allows you to immerse yourself in a visual picture of what you want or hope to achieve. This creates a positive and powerful mental image, making it simpler to believe in your abilities to attain your goals. But do you know that aside from moral help, these can actually earn you money? Yes, you heard it. There is money in vision boards. Welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Before anything else, you know the drill. To be notified for future videos that talk about how to earn even on a passive setting, do not hesitate to hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. Who would have thought that creating a vision board will help oneself achieve a high economic status in under a year? It is one of the most effective tools I've ever used, manifesting nearly everything I've placed on it. Whether your aspirations involve financial success, improved health, spiritual growth, or simply finding happiness, I assure you this vision board method can guide you toward your goals. Today I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure its effectiveness. I've experimented with various vision board formats, from bulletin boards to posters and binders. How can you do it? It's simple. Have you heard about this editing tool that is free and user-friendly? You can go to your browser and type in the search bar Canva. You will be given various results but can only choose one. Click on the very first link that appears, and you will be directed to Canva's homepage. Now let's dive into the process of creating your own digital vision board using this website. And the best part? It's absolutely free. The first thing you need to do is create an account, or if you already have one, log into it. Once you're logged in, select Create a Design. This will give you a blank canvas where you can decide what elements to put and not to. Then opt for Custom Size, with dimensions 1080 by 1920 pixels to fit your phone screen. You can also use by inches dimension, just convert the pixels I mentioned earlier. When the working space is presented, you can start making a design. Start by selecting a background that resonates with your theme for the year. For example, I want it to be about peace, growth, health, and success, so I'm drawn to the color green. Because the sizes of my canvas and the background I choose are different, I can stretch the edges like this. After that, the chosen background will fit to the screen. The next crucial step is selecting a scripture or empowering quote to serve as your anchor throughout the year. I've chosen 3 John verse 2 for its message of prosperity and well-being. You can either read a book or search the internet for this. Next up, select images that resonate with your goals and aspirations. Whether it's losing weight, pursuing a career change, or traveling to exotic destinations, choose visuals that reflect your desires with clarity and purpose. Take the time to curate a collection of images that inspire and motivate you to take action towards achieving your dreams. Once you've gathered your images, it's time to arrange them on your vision board. Consider the layout carefully, ensuring that each image contributes to a cohesive and harmonious composition. Experiment with resizing and positioning to create a visually compelling storyboard that effectively communicates your intentions and aspirations. But don't stop there. Words can be powerful allies in reinforcing your goals. Select empowering phrases or affirmations that resonate with you and incorporate them into your vision board, whether it's lose weight, find balance, or embrace change. Choose words that encapsulate your aspirations and ignite a sense of determination within you. To emphasize the importance of time in achieving your goals, consider adding a calendar or incorporating the current year into your vision board. This serves as a reminder that success is not just about setting goals, but also about taking consistent action over time. Once you're satisfied with the layout and content of your vision board, it's time to bring it to life. Download your creation as a high-quality PNG file and set it as your phone's wallpaper. By keeping your goals front and center, you'll stay focused and motivated to take steps towards turning your dreams into reality. I hope this guide empowers you to manifest your dreams this year. Remember, progress is key, and it's okay if your goals evolve over time. Here's to a year filled with abundance and success in all aspects of your life. The comments section below is open to your thoughts about this video, so consider leaving something there. Thank you for stopping by and watching it till this part. See you on the next one.